Hello guys, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you are coming to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Or you're a returning subscriber, we say welcome, welcome. Don't forget to copy the link and share. Click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever we upload new video. As a matter of fact, I tell you, if not for you guys, we are not here. Okay, I want to tell you guys that we've just opened another shop at Akuojo Road. Yes, opposite Sweet Sensation. Yes, the first Sweet Sensation you get to, you've gotten to us already. Opposite Sweet Sensation, Primatech Plaza. That is where we'll be located right now. Yes, just come and patronize us. We ship everywhere, name it. We ship everywhere in abroad. We ship everywhere. We ship the country, we ship everywhere. And we are capable of delivering, trust me. Even within the local, our country in here, we deliver successfully. That is us, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Come on. Yes, and a quick one, I'll tell you, retalk. It's been some while I have not dropped a video because I really actually have to do something that that's what we'll be trying to fix, which we've just done. So in a quick one, like as I said, I have a review that I really want to talk about because people, they be coming to my WhatsApp to tell me about this cream that I should talk about. This cream, they felt that maybe the cream has done more harm than good. A while that said the cream has done more good than harm. So it's all left for you this time around. And it's no other cream than Easy Glow, Easy Glow. Look at it. Yes. You can see it. Yes. Easy Glow. As a matter of fact, this lotion, we have different type of it, and we have about three. We have the milk, and we have the half-cast, and we have and I will say have the body wash of it also. If you don't know, we have, I think we have the white one and we have the orange one also, including this. You see, this lotion, a lot of people, they be saying is good, some say it's bad. Don't forget that body type matters a lot. I don't know how to explain this to you. Body type matters a lot. Some of my colleagues, they be saying, oh, really, I support those people that said Easy Glow lotion has really done harm than, good today. But I don't believe that. I don't believe it because I know somebody will be using these for years now, like he be using it like 2 years now, and it happened that it still remain, perfect in his body. So how come other persons, they use it and that they complain? So that's where I say body type comes in, because your body might really accept this lotion and the other person body might not accept it. So it's not really my fault or your fault. Are you getting it? Because this cream is very powerful. So I want to advise people about this cream. If you want to use this cream, how do you use this cream? Because we come into the solution as well. So if you want to use this cream, how would you use this cream? Because some persons believe that they want to really white. You see, they want to white. And how do you go about it when you want to white? It's okay. I just want to jump to stage 100 of being white. Let me just I need to say, AYA, I want a lotion. I want a mix that you can give to me. I just want to white. I just want to white. Yes, it's good for you to white. White the way y'all want to white. Fine about that, but don't forget that this skin, you see, some other day they gonna tell on you in the future. You see it? So like, you should start from one step before going to the second step, before going to the third step, fourth step, fifth step, and all that to the 100th step you will go to. So I will advise you that if you want to really use this lotion, this is how you gonna use it. First of all, you go for the carrot type of it, because Left for me, the carrot type alone, they're all very strong. Yes, don't be deceived, they're all very strong. Yes, look at it. I want to show you again. They're all very strong. Very, very strong. Very, very strong. You see it now? Yes. You go for the carrot one, which is going to help you a bit, because it's still strong. And if you think that one is really giving you rashes or giving you white patches or is giving you whatever he's giving you that is negative side effect that you feel that it's not really doing well, we have solution for it also. You can talk to me on WhatsApp. I'll show you the secret how you can use that. So I advise you to use the carrot one for yourself because it's not stronger like the older one. So you should start with that one, and then if you see how it works on you gradually, and like it have no effect on you, like you look good on it and it look good on you, then you cannot move to the other one. You see, don't forget that if this carrot one, which is not stronger like the white one, if it's giving you some white patches, like everybody say, like a lot of people, not everybody, sorry about that, a lot of people say it's giving white patches. If that carrot one is giving you white patches, so how much more the other one? Meaning it's going to give you not just white patches, it's going to give you more than white patches. You know what I mean? It's going to give you more than that, and it's going to give you things that you never expect. So because how strong it is, a lot of things that it be made of. They might not tell you what it's been made of. They might just say, oh, it's been made of this, it's been made of that. But beyond that, we all know that, yes, those are just camouflage. What it be made of, this cream, they won't tell you. You understand? Because the truth is that you wouldn't get white. So, but then again, it's still body type. Because I tell you, real talk, a lot of people, they complain, that a lot of people, they still say this cream, this lotion is best for them. So don't say I didn't tell you about it. And if you find it difficult, like you want this, you love this cream, like you want really use this cream so bad, and I tell you, there are solutions for it. You can come talk to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you the secret, how you can use this lotion. Don't forget, like as I tell you that, yes, we have a new store now at Akuwajo Road. You can always come patronize us. Yes, you can come patronize us, and we ship everywhere. International, we say we ship everywhere. Just name the country, no matter where you are in the country you are, and we penetrate. We come deliver for you. And even in this Nigeria, our local country in here is also, we deliver everywhere. Perfect. That is what AYA Cosmetic is all about. Are you getting it? And if you have anybody, disadvantage, or anybody like inflammatories, or you talk about like eczema, melasma, or you do, well, I don't know, but whatever you have in your body that's really disadvantaged to it, like you feel, let's talk about it. You can always come meet me on my WhatsApp. We talk about it, and I give you solution about it also. You know what I mean? So real talk, once more, I just want to tell you about this cream, this lotion. You hear me? As much people like it, and they say it has disadvantage, so also it have advantage too. So that brings out to body type. Your body type matters a lot, and you have solution how you can control it. For that reason, you can come talk to me on WhatsApp. I'll show you the solution. Very easy, very easy. No matter how it is, no matter how it be doing you, like if it come in so fast, really quick, like disadvantage of it, like side effect of it, they be coming on you like really quick, tell me, come on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you the secret about this Easy Glow Lotion. Easy Glow Lotion, trust me, Easy Glow Lotion. It's one of the best lotion also on whitening. Yes. Because I remember, like, I do use it to Promix way back, and then before I change. You see it? So when you say, that's what I was saying, body type matters a lot. I've used it to Promix for people also. And we control it very well, so that it's not going to cause any side effects. So that's why I still want to give you that recipe with understanding. When you come to my WhatsApp, I just drop it for you. I tell you, this is it, this is how you go use it, and you're not going to get white patches, because body type matters a lot. Don't be deceived. I could believe that some people, they might use your lotion, like you produce a lotion and they say, oh, I get this lotion you boast about, this lotion you talk about. How come I'm getting side effect on it? It's not you getting side effect. It's not the lotion giving you side effect. It's because of your body type. You see it now? It's because of your body type. Okay, let's assume the lotion giving you side effect. What do? You quit. There's no two ways about it. Just quit. Don't go say, oh, I want to use my money to finish. No, the more you try to want to use your money finish, the more you get those white patches. But don't forget, that's why you have to go back to your drawing board. Yes, how do I? Because everybody has their first time, like everybody has their first time body type skin. What have you gone wrong? What have you wear about lotion that really got your skin messed up? Not every other lotion not giving you side effect. So you have to go to your drawing board again. And how do you go to your drawing board again? You have to leave all lotions at the time. Don't wear any other lotion. Just let that normal skin to come in back. And when it coming back, you can now pick on the first lotion you'll be using that before you say, I want to get more white, I want to get this, I want to get blah, blah, blah. So that brings us to the end of this review. I've told you that this is all about your body type, not this lotion giving you the problem. Just everybody have different body types. So I believe that you understand me when I say body type now. So if it's working for you, it's working for you. If it's not working for you, it's not working for you. So I still remain the fact that this is 50-50. It's 50-50. Don't say, oh, it's good, it's bad. No, it's 50-50. So if it works for you, work for you. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. So Easy Glow, you can go for any of them. You can go for any of them. But before you go for any of them, start with the small one, which is the one that is not too strong like the other two. So that's good for every one of us. Thank you. We've come to the end of the review. See you on the next video.